In the 1940s, slow cookers rose to fame because it aided women in cooking while still being able to earn a living. Working required them to be out of the home, but slow cookers allowed them to start preparing meals in the morning before leaving for work and finish the dinner when they came home. That situation is pretty much the same with us today. Slow cookers have come a long way in terms of designs and accessibility. If you're looking for one to tenderize meat or bring out the flavor in your recipes, or just to have healthier food, choosing one will definitely be a chore. And that's where we come in. Stay tuned as we give you a review of the 5 slow cookers available on the market. At number 1 is the Pioneer Woman Portable Slow Cooker in Breezy Blossom. This stylish slow cooker is definitely worth it. Whether you're going to a potluck party or a picnic with your family, you can carry this crockpot straight to the venue right after cooking. Transporting food without messy spills has never been this hassle-free. It's made possible by comfortable grip handles and clips which hold the lid in place. The handles are also specifically formed for full grip to give you ease in carrying it around. The Pioneer Woman Slow Cooker has a large 6-quart capacity, plus its oval shape can help you maximize cooking large cuts of meat. It can cook up to 6 pounds of chicken or 4 pounds of roast, which can serve around 7 people. With that, cooking time will vary, so make sure to check the other information regarding the food you're cooking to properly set your timer. There are 3 heat settings that give you the option to set the slow cooker to high, low, or warm. But that's not all. The Pioneer Woman Portable Slow Cooker's stoneware crock and glass lid is removable. You can effortlessly serve food on the table or clean them. They're dishwasher safe, so just place them in when you're done. At number 2 is the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker. Its large capacity of 6 quarts can conveniently create food for your family and guests, or about 7 people. After putting in your ingredients, just choose your desired settings, and you can come back when the slow cooker is done making the food. The controls are very simple. All you need to do is turn the dial. Cook flavorful dishes like a pro in the oval-shaped slow cooker. It can fit large cuts of meat like chicken or roast. It can make savory main courses, rich pasta, and delightful desserts that can be cooked at low or high temperatures. Then keep its temperature at the warm setting so you can enjoy fresh meals even if it's been a long time since it was cooked. Aside from that, the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker has a removable stoneware crock that allows you to serve straight from cooking to the table. With the full grip side handles and lid, you can easily carry the pot without fear of burns. The lid of this slow cooker is made of tempered glass, which is not only safe, but it allows you to see in and check your food. Plus, the crock and lid are also dishwasher safe. Cleaning requires less effort. Storing it is just as easy. What's more, the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker is a lovely red finish, so you can have it on your countertop to add delightful color to your kitchen. And when you purchase it, Hamilton Beach provides a 1-year limited warranty. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one, and click on the notification icon so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Crock-Pot Manual Slow Cooker. Prepare your meals quick and easy or slow and steady. It allows you to perfectly plan your dinner. By putting the cook settings on high, you can have your dinner on time even if you only cook it as you get home. You can also cook while at work by setting your slow cooker to low. You can enjoy a warm meal when you return. There's also a warm setting that helps keep the food ready when you are. It comes with removable stoneware that's safe to use in the microwave or oven of up to 400 degree settings. This gives you the flexibility to cook whatever way you want. However, cooking with the original slow cooker saves more energy than using a conventional oven. Now that's good information. Serve a healthy home-cooked meal for the whole family with the 7-quart capacity of the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker. Up to 8 people, you can make stews or roast with free recipe guide included with every slow cooker. Plus, the manufacturer offers a 1-year limited warranty upon purchase. The removable pot and lid are both dishwasher safe, but if you are cleaning it manually, remember to avoid using abrasive cleaning products or scouring pads. Also, use warm water if you wish to wash them while they're still hot. Since it's made of fine ceramic, the pot and lid won't be able to tolerate sudden temperature changes. For the final feature, this Crock-Pot Manual Slow Cooker has stay cool handles and comes in a polished black finish. At number 4 is the West Bend Non-Stick Versatility Slow Cooker. Whether you're a new cook or an experienced one, preparing homemade meals with this slow cooker has never been so easy. It has everything you need for making, storing, and reheating meals. With its 5 temperature control options, you can get the most out of your slow cooker. Adjust how fast you want to cook your food by choosing between low, medium, and high. And then keep this versatile slow cooker in a warm setting to enjoy a hot meal when the time comes. Plus, it has griddle settings, so you can even make pancakes with the heating base. The West Bend slow cooker comes with a non-stick removable pot. The versatile stoneware is suitable to put over the stove, in the oven, or even in the freezer or refrigerator. It also has a see-through glass lid so you can watch your food as it cooks. They're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Cook a romantic dinner for 2 or for the whole family with a 5-quart capacity. Unlike other slow cookers, the West Bend slow cooker is rectangular in shape with rounded edges. It's a space saver when you want to store it. The best part is the West Bend Non-Stick Versatility Slow Cooker comes with a travel lid and thermal bag. The lid securely locks to avoid spills, and your food will still be warm using the thermal bag. Now you have peace of mind and convenience when you take your food somewhere else. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comments section, and our team will get to work to give your desired product the best review possible. Now let's check out our final item. At number 5, we have the Black & Decker Digital Slow Cooker. This is the only slow cooker on our list that has digital temperature control. Not only does this cooker give you 3 heat settings, you can also choose from 3 cooking options, then easily set that function with a large control panel. The slow cooker has a temperature probe and precision sous vide. Use this classic slow cooker for setting roasts, soups, stews, and more. For the temperature probe, put your desired temperature, then insert the probe into the meat to get your preferred doneness on a variety of meat. The sous vide option gives you precise temperature control to get consistent restaurant quality outcome. To do that, you have to arrange single servings of food inside resealable bags, set the temperature and time depending on the food you're cooking and your required level of doneness, then insert the temperature probe into the water. Besides that, this process prevents overcooking. The digital slow cooker has the usual heat settings of other slow cookers. Putting it on low will take about 8 to 9 hours of cooking, while placing it on high will take only 3 to 4 hours, and the warm setting will keep it hot and fresh until you're ready. The durable stoneware pot has a 7-quart capacity. It allows you to prepare food for more than 8 servings. And in addition, it's a removable crock with tempered glass lid, so it's dishwasher safe. Cleanup is super easy. The Black & Decker Digital Slow Cooker comes with temperature probe, sous vide rack, and 2 resealable bags, along with recipes. Truly, slow cookers are a must-have in every household. They save you time and effort while giving you hearty home-cooked meals at the same time. From beef to chicken to fresh meats and vegetables, there's nothing better than a slow cooker. We hope this video helped you decide which item is best for you. If you're interested in one of the products, check out the links in the description below and catch it at its best price. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload a new review. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.